What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Singalong by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else your mom's a hoe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, there will be a link in the video description, as well as a link to an ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. So the riff starts with your middle finger on the low E string on the 3rd fret, and your ring finger, middle finger, low E, 3rd fret, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the G. You're plucking that with your thumb and your index finger. Then you're gonna go down to 1 on the low E and 2 on the G. Then we're gonna go to 1 on A and then 3 on D, and you're using your middle finger now to pick the D string. Your thumb is still picking the A. So 1, 3, and then slide that down to 5 on A and 6 on B. Those are your chords. Once you get the chords down, you just need your picking pattern. It's going to be, you're going to pick those twice and mute it with a little slap. Same thing here. And now you're gonna pick this chord here. This is a B flat. You're gonna pick that the same, but instead of muting it, you're gonna slide down to that D minor and pick it and let it ring. So twice, slap. Twice, slap, twice, but then down to your D minor and let it ring. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.